No idea how to make money for free using cryptocurrency? So watch this video up until the end so that you know how you can make money without paying a cent. So first and foremost, I want you to click down below in the description in the link so that you can get into this website, and I'm gonna show you what to do. So what we're gonna be doing is that we gonna be mining Helium. Helium is a cryptocurrency. Like you can see here on coin market cap, for some of you are used to it. Basically, that's where you can see cryptos and where their price is. So what we do here, look at this. Then you have Helium. That's the one. So Helium now, today's price is 13.20 bucks. So what we're gonna be doing, I'm gonna show you how you will be mining Helium. For those of you who don't have any idea about mining, just go and just Google it or YouTube it, and then you're gonna find it. You're gonna find what it means in more details. But just to keep it short, so what you do, you click on the link in the description that I'm gonna put there. This is my affiliate link, full disclosure. And again, I would highly appreciate if you could click on it, because I'm gonna be making just a little bit out of what you're gonna be mining at no additional cost to you, because anyway, you're gonna be making the exact same amount. So I would highly appreciate your help. That's gonna help me to make more videos like this. So when you get to this page, you click here on join now. Okay, join now. So let me first show you, yeah, you click here and then you fill out all your information, right? And then you click here, I agree, and then you're gonna register. When you get into your account, let me log into my account. Let me see. So now you're gonna get here. This is my affiliate link, and then what you want to do is, let's say, go to Helium Track app. Okay. I'm gonna sign up. I'm gonna log in. So here you will have an idea about how much you will be making on a daily or a monthly basis if you want, just to get an idea whether if it's a good thing for you. Block now. Block it. So let's say we're gonna put New York. Okay. So all of those guys, they're miners, and the beautiful thing is that the more people you have who are mining, the more generally you're gonna be making. The reason I don't know why, but yeah, that's how it works. And you know, just the amount you're gonna be making, the amount you're gonna be making out of Helium, meaning the amount that you're gonna be mining, just depends upon where you live and how many people are mining in your area. So, and that's the beautiful thing about this, is that you will be able to as well. The moment you're gonna get in, you're gonna start making money. It's very easy to sell. You go to people that you know, and then you're gonna show them, hey, this thing is making money, and then you know they're gonna be your affiliates as well. You're gonna be making 20% with them, because anyway they're gonna be making the same amount. So there is no reason why they wouldn't sign up using your affiliate link, because again, you're showing them a way to make money, and again, it doesn't cost them anything whatsoever. So again, look at those guys. Okay. Okay, we're gonna see view details. So here, all of those hives, kind of hives, shape like, they are miners, they are areas, and then those green lights, they are people are mining. Okay, then you click on view details. You click on whatever, which one you want, and you click on it. Let's say you live here, and then you click on it, say view details. Okay, so you can see, so those people are making 2.76 Helium on a 7-day basis, meaning that they're making $36. On a 30 days basis, they're making 163 bucks. So that gives you an idea about how much more or less you're going to be making. Same thing. Let's go, for example, to Las Vegas. Nevada. Here we are in Las Vegas, okay? And let's see. Okay, so in this area, we have those people mining. Let's see how much you can make. For example, let's pick this one. View details. So again, all of those, look at this. Those people in Las Vegas, they are making way more than in New York. Look at this, in a 7-day basis. Look, in 30 days, they're making 1,400, almost 12, almost $1,500, which is crazy, which is amazing. That's why I told you, you know, just before you get into this, I would always recommend that you go and check out your area, how much those people are making, so that you can have an estimation, and again, decide whether you want to go with it or not. And again, that does not eat electricity. Probably is going to cost you 20, 30 bucks a month. So if you're making way more than that, why not go for it? And again, the more you recommend this app to people, the more they're going to be mining, the more people come in, the more you're going to be making, all of you. So that's the beautiful thing about this. Yeah, so now you got it. So the moment you get in, what you should do, that's how you get the price estimation. That's pretty much it. But now I'm going to show you how you're going to get the device, because again, you need a device so that you can be able to mine the helium. Okay, so what you do, you say, you go here and then you click on reserve a hotspot. Okay, so what you do here, before I heard they was costing like $500 or whatever. So yeah, what you want to do is, you know, just fill out the information. That's basically the device that you're gonna get. And what you want to do is fill out all your information in here. Okay, fill out all the information. What is it? And yeah, that's it. And when you're done, you just tick all of these boxes and then click on reserve hotspot, and that's it. You're gonna reserve your hotspot, and then you're gonna receive it. It's gonna take times. Probably you might be paying a few dollars just to get it shipped, but normally it's $0 just for some areas. But yeah, it's all over. Again, it's worldwide. So this opportunity is open to each and every single person. You know, just just make sure you make the most out of it, as long as it is very early. Yeah, so now the moment you get that, if you like, guys, this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button so that you can be notified whenever I put any single video about making money online, anything that could get you way more money and hopefully get you the freedom that you're looking for. And guys, again, I would highly appreciate if you could subscribe using my affiliate link down below in the description, and just go through it and refer this app to every single person that you know. Because remember, the community, united, we're gonna make more. So if you recommend this this app to people that you know, particularly around your area, you're gonna be making more money, as a whole. And now I wanted to show you something, which I forgot. Yeah, I forgot to show you something, which is, I just wanted to show you. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna just, okay, give me a second. All right, so that's how the affiliate program works. And again, look at this. Let me click on it again. Okay, yeah, this is how it works. So basically, whenever you're gonna receive the hotspot, you're gonna be mining, you're gonna be receiving 50% of what you are going to be mining. Okay, but then your affiliates, if you refer this to someone, they're gonna be making 20%. Okay, and the referrers, meaning the company, they're gonna be making 10%. If I'm not wrong. But again, everybody's winning in this. everybody's winning, because anyway, you're going to be making 50%. So that's why I'm telling you, like, just sign up with my affiliate link, because you're going to be making 50, I'm going to be making 20. And again, you're going to be referring this website to other people. They're still going to be making 50 with or without you. So it's better that you make money and they make the money, you know, because like, even if they don't go with your link, they're still going to be making the exact same money. So why not, you know, just give you an additional 20%. Got my point? So guys, again, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button so that you can be notified whenever I launch a killer video. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. You take care.